we have total of 206 bones in the human body. Now, in them, we have already discussed the major bones in hands and legs. But there are so many other bones which are also very important. So let's see what these are. Now, among them, if we talk about major bones in our chest, well, they are sternum and ribs. So this central part here, this bone is the sternum, and all these which form a cage-like structure, these are the ribs. So let's see them in detail. As you can see here, this central bone here is the sternum, and then here it is connected with a number of these bones which form a cage-like structure. As you can see, they form a complete cage, and these bones are nothing but ribs. So you see, ribs and sternum together form the rib cage. So you see, here this is the sternum and these ribs are connected to it, and together they form a cage-like structure. And what do? Well, they provide protection to lot of important and soft inner parts of the body. So if we talk about ribs, well, ribs are long curved bones, as you can see here. And along with the sternum, which is this central bone, ribs form the rib cage. So you see, this is the entire rib cage, ribs and sternum together. And what do? Well, they protect the lungs, heart, and other internal organs. So all these important organs of the body are protected by the rib cage, which is formed together by the ribs and the sternum. Now let's see at another set of important bones. So can you answer this? Ribs and dash together form rib cage. So is it sternum or is it ulna? What do you think? Well, it's definitely sternum. So ribs and sternum together form the rib cage. So sternum is the central bone, and at the center sternum is there, and all the ribs finally connect to the sternum. So sternum and ribs together form the rib cage. Now let's have a look at some of the other important bones of the body. As you can see here, this bone is the cranium, and it is basically three different bones joined together. So these three different bones together form the cranium, and they are joined here like this, as you can see. And these three different bones are cranium, and they are also called skull in our body. Now next, here, this is the mandible. So this is basically the jawbone in our body, as you can see. So we are able to move our mouth like this. That's because of the mandible. So this is the movable part of our mouth, the mandible. And this here, as you can see, just above the rib cage, basically, as you can touch here, this part here is the clavicle, which is also called the collarbone. So you see, this is the clavicle or the collarbone, and this is what connects the arms to the shoulders. So this here is the clavicle or the collarbone. So we have cranium here, then we have mandible here, and then we have clavicle here and here. So when we talk about cranium or the skull, well, it protects the head from injury. As you can see, this is more like a helmet, isn't it? So this protects our head from injury. And clavicle, well, it's the collarbone, and it connects the upper arm to the body. So you see, upper arm is connected here to the body with the help of clavicle. So clavicle has this important function. And then mandible is the jawbone. So our jaws, which move all the time, they are nothing but mandible, which is a single bone. Now, apart from them, a very important bone in our body is the backbone. And where is it located? Well, as you can see, it's located here. And it's a very, very important bone in our body. So let's see it in details. So as you can see here, well, if we rotate it, then on the back side here, this is the entire backbone. It starts from this place here and ends at here. So you see, it is a very long bone, but it is not a single bone, and that is why we do not call it the largest or longest bone of the body, because it is actually made up of many different small bones, as you can see here. So all these bones together form the backbone. And you see, it is the backbone which keeps us erect. So our bone, this part, this bone is nothing but the backbone, and it keeps our back supported and straight. So it is a very important bone in our body. So when we talk about backbone, it is made up of 33 individual bones. So all these bones, if you count, they'll be total 33 in number. So 33 number of individual bones together form the backbone. Now, it provides the main support to body. You see, backbone is very important for our body, and the main support to our body is provided by the backbone. And it allows us to stand upright, bend, and twist. So it is the backbone which allows us to stand upright. When you bend, it is the backbone which helps you bend. Even twisting is possible because of the backbone. So backbone is a very important bone in the body. So we saw some very important bones in our body, which are cranium, which is the skull. It protects our head from injury. Then we have mandible or jawbone, which allows us to move our jaw so we can speak or eat, all because of this particular bone. Then we have clavicle or collarbone, which is here. And what does it do? Well, it connects the arm to the body. And when we talk about sternum and ribs, they together form the rib cage, and it protects many important organs like the heart and the lungs. And then we have backbone, which provides the main support to our body. And it is because of the backbone that we are able to stand upright, bend, and even twist. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.